Do you know the relationship between a coffee machine and chicken eggs? I'm about to explain you. Do you see these coffee leftovers? So we use these coffee leftovers in our garden. Let me show you. Are used in our vermicompost. Can you guess who loves to eat these coffee beans? Worms love to eat coffee beans. We put the coffee here, we let the worms do their work, and then we get the worms to the chickens. This way they can have high quality protein. And of course, because our chickens, they lay eggs pretty much every day, we get this high quality protein back to us in the form of eggs.